Hi, it's Abdullah. Do you know solar eclipse and lunar eclipse? No? Well, I'll tell you about it. Let's start with solar eclipse. When you see the moon going in front of the sun, some people see that. That is a solar eclipse. But there's something else you know about it that comes more often than it. Like 1,000 days at the night. Like solar eclipse is like 15 times in the morning, but this one is creepier. It's the night time. It's at solar, not solar, like lunar eclipse. You know that it's an eclipse when the moon is like suddenly like disappearing. But you know that. I'll tell you the second part in the second story of lunar eclipse. Part 2. This will happen. Let's start with the lunar eclipse, lunar solar eclipse. When you can see the tiny little flames shooting out from the sun, because some people see the sun from behind the moon in the solar eclipse. Like it's like shooting out like shoo, 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 shoo. And then making like grating burning sounds too. Like, and then there's something else about it. Do lunar eclipse. Then here's the lunar eclipse. This thing. I pressed my chest button and made the lunar eclipse. So here's the lunar eclipse. After the moon disappears, this happens. Like a reddish orange blood color appears. Like someone, 1,000 of astronauts made a same size of the moon and then like bleeded on it. Like they died and like bleeded on it, and then like some other astronaut came and like saw them dead, and then like cutted their hand. But that's not actually true. The blood moon comes on its own, so it's like bleeding reddish orange color comes like appearing by itself. That is a lunar eclipse. Not astronauts making a whole, not like blah blah gobble go astronauts on the moon, like making a same size of the moon, like covered all over the place on the moon, like they died and like couldn't drink any water, and then they didn't bleed those. Another astronaut saw them dead, like cut all of them. That would be impossible. Like cow go. And then they bleeded and like made a blood moon. And the blood didn't like start shooting out in the space. It's actually going on its own. And that is it for that. This is the end of the story of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Bye now.